Hey guys, and welcome to another Scuderia Car Parts video. Today we're having a look at this unbelievably stunning Mercedes SLS AMG. This is the granddaddy. This is the Grand Tourer of all Grand Tourers. We've all seen the Top Gear where Jeremy Clarkson went and utterly destroyed those rear tyres. This thing's a monster and it sounds incredible from stock, but as always, manufacturers are limited in what they can get away with in terms of volume. You know, they have to meet the strictest requirements around the world in order to homologate the exhaust, so there is always something that can be done no matter how good a car sounds from stock. So what are we doing to this one? We are going to be installing a Capristo system, which is cat back. So we're leaving the cats in place, no engine warning lights, nothing like that. And one of the things that the customer was really insistent on, and is kind of one of the benefits of the Capristo, is that it doesn't change the rear valance at all. So these exhaust tips stay exactly as they are now. So other than the sound, nothing really changes, which is fantastic because, you know, this car is a really grown-up car. The Black Series is obviously ridiculous and it's all got wings and sort of it's wide and low and aggressive, but this is a car that you could really use every day. As ridiculous as that sounds, like, yeah, you'll light the tires up in 6th gear on the motorway, but you know, and if you drive it like an absolute lunatic. This car is a really comfy car. It's got the coolest doors of all times, and as we of all time rather, and as we know, it's got the explosive bolts in there in case the car flips. So yeah, over-engineered as is the way with AMGs, but this is a masterpiece, an absolute masterpiece. So what we'll do now is we will cut to a video of the car before, and we will cut to a video of the car afterwards.